Today we're starting the chimney for the cabin. Got some parts in the mail. This is the 6-inch flashing. It actually has close to an 8-inch opening because the chimney itself is double wall, so 6-inch inside, close to 8-inch on the outside. And it's going to go right up through that and through our brand new roof. Which brings me to the scariest thing I'm going to do today, which is cut through a brand new roof and ceiling to put in a chimney. I'm a bit nervous about it, but I think if we get it plumbed right and measured, it's just a matter of cutting. Of course, I'm really uptight about the possibility of leaking into our brand new ceiling, but I've got some instructions and I think I know what I need to do. So nothing to it but to do it. Do you ever get tired of me saying nothing to it but to do it? Man, that's going to be annoying. Okay, now just try to get it toward the center. All we're doing now is running a plumb bob straight line from the stove, which is already in its place, up to the point in the ceiling where we're going to have to cut. And we're just using a chalk line, which also doubles as a plumb bob. I'd say go left a little, my left. Come back just half of that. Yeah, that looks great. That looks perfect. Can you make a mark there? There's a cricket in there. Hello, cricket. Okay, this box is basically for the cathedral ceiling. It's going to be popping out of the ceiling like that with the stovepipe attached, and that converts it to a double wall pipe. We're lucky the house is 12 on 12, so we just have to draw a 45-degree angle on this, and that's basically how far it's going to go up to the roof. Flip it. Should line up with the other line. When you're cutting with 10 snips, you cut a little bit away from your line as your first cut, and then the second cut is a lot easier because you only have to curl off that much metal. I'm gonna make this turn. I'm marking the center of this box with kind of a crosshairs so we can line it up with our plumb mark on the ceiling by looking up down the center, looking up the center hole. I'll be able to see that X. When we get that lined up, we can mark the perimeter of the box, and that's where we're cutting the ceiling. You're getting an iPhone too. May as well drop both phones. Is this gonna work? Let's just see. Look at the X. Watch the X. Watch the X. I can't see the X anymore.
That is how you vacuum.
I want to vacuum the ceiling.
Sometimes you make a video and we do something dumb, so you gotta have two videos. So you could play the one where we don't do something dumb.
That doesn't seem logical.
It's very logical.
Seems like you should just play the thing where you did something dumb.
Is it cut?
Tearing apart my ceiling.
Are you sure that's where we want the stove?
Are you sure you want to have this conversation right now?
Yep.
I think I'm going to go ahead and cut. Or twist this. Cut.
Cut. Asher. What's Saba doing? Saba cutting?
Yeah. Good.
Did you say cut?
He said Saba cut.
Saba cut.
Careful, don't fall.
That ice and water shower is tough stuff, man.
But it is supposed to stick to the roof.
It does. Nice. Pretty much right there.
We're the same size.
Hiding.
Oh shoot, that's not gonna work, is it?
Hiding.
It's gonna work. I'm not sure if
You're
it'll work
gonna
with my
I'm hiding. And I'm hiding.
We're really, really close to the same size.
Hey,
Leave a
don't
pain
climb the
in the
girts,
way.
remember?
Dude,
He's got
what is
socks.
this? Oh, he's got socks on. Good.
That ladder's not really sitting on anything at the moment.
It might go outside.
No,
See if
dude,
it goes
no.
outside.
No.
Are you just not upside down?
Can we try to spin it a little bit?
Yeah. There you go.
There you go. See, it goes outside. I told you.
Minutes
I'm
of
gonna take
this.
this off. You can line it up.
I'm hiding. Hiding.
Done.
Done, light it up.
I think some
that
smoke might get out.
Might get out. I feel like we care a little
Can
bit
you push
about
this one down?
now,
No, maybe you're fine, because the smoke will hit the top and run out.
Yep.
Get to
As soon as you feel it, pinch your fingers, then you're in. There you go.
hiding.
Anytime? Yes. Forgot something.
What'd you forget?
This thing.
It's right here.
Dang it! We'll just cut that and then it'll be in tomorrow and no one will
Edit
know,
it.
right?
Just
Yeah.
edit it out like we did it right the first time.
You okay, babe? You get sawdust in your eye?
Yeah.
Oh, you should be wearing You both should be wearing safety goggles.
I think you're right.
Are either of you gonna go get safety goggles?
I mean, no.
Should I still be rolling?
Well, we were talking about getting safety goggles. So you can either video how we're not going to get safety goggles, or you can go get safety goggles.
That's a long walk.
What? I'm pregnant. I'm not walking all the way down there to get you safety goggles.
Safety first? Isn't that your rule?
Yeah.
Here we go.
Let's do this cut.
Alright.
Did you get it out of your eye?
Good.
It's like a riot shield.
Yeah.
I figured the outer layer of my eye keeps the inner layer safe.
That doesn't make any sense.